Chingalingaling. Chinese nose is very pointed. Chinese nose is very pointed. Chingalingaling, 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 chingalingaling. Chinese tea is very tasty. Chinese tea is very chingalingaling, 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 chingalingaling. Thank you.
In all over India, as Prime Minister, President, every person in government offices, every people follow the hoist the flag and celebrate this day as a vast festival function. Dear children, you are submitting here in vast numbers. Today, I am very glad to see you that your performance is very good here. All students prepare their programs very carefully and sincerely. Today, we are going to celebrate this day very cautiously. We are doing progress as technology, industrialization, education, medicine, technology, etc. In world, other countries too, India is very famous nowadays because its culture and its civilization is popular everywhere. Today, we are celebrating today. Every year on 15 August, we celebrate this day because many freedom fighters devote their whole life for our country, as Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Mahatma Gandhi, Ram Prasad Bismil, Mangal Pandey. Very freedom fighters gave sacrifice for this country. All persons, once again I most welcome to all of you at this campus. At last, I thank to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Don't be delayed. Those who are performing the dance or songs, don't try to be delayed. Thank you very much for your beautiful
We are celebrating here 15th August as Independence Day. Now, I want to say that we should always give these types of program so that our children can also get energetic for this type of function. Now, our institute have also get Manyata before 2 days, and okay, thanks to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Sir Manoj Kumar for your beautiful speech. Okay, सारे बच्चे खड़े हो जाएंगे. थैंक यू मनोज सर, हम लोग के लिए मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ. हम लोग को मान्यता मिल चुका है. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, सिट डाउन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव बॉयज. सेल्फ डिफेंस निकिता एंड फ्रेंड के बारे में एक्शन करने वाले हैं. उन लोग को स्टेज में बुलाया जा रहा है. सो जल्द से जल्द स्टेज में आएंगे. सेल्फ डिफेंस विनीत गुप्ता है क्लास LKG से. विनीत गुप्ता क्लास LKG के विनीत गुप्ता है. कब अजीत जायसवाल हम लोग को एक पोएम सुनाएंगे. स्टेज पे आ जाएंगे. क्लास 2 के अंश तिवारी स्टेज पे आ जाओ.
Teacher, my friend, my name is Adi Jasmal, my class first. I am going to say poem. 100 of birds in the sky, 100 of fish in the sea, 100 of flowers in the field, but they are only one of me.
थैंक यू अरिजीत जायसवाल फॉर योर ब्यूटीफुल स्पीच. नाउ अभी हम लोग को पोएम सुनाएंगे अंश तिवारी जो क्लास 2 में.
My name is Ansh Tiwari. I am fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back. Thank you, London.
Now we have pyramid show by the students of class 6, 7, 8. Please come on the stage. Okay, hurry up. ये पिरामिड शो है बच्चों का जो हम लोग का स्कूल पे सिखाया जाता है. हम लोग का स्कूल पे मार्शल आर्ट्स ड्रामा हम लोगों का बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. हम लोग का देश में बेटी को भगवान की तरह पूजा जाता है और देखा जाए तो भगवान ही बेटी के रूप में आते हैं. तो हम लोग के स्कूल के बच्चे लोग इसी के नाटक के रूप में तैयार किए हैं. इसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे एक ड्रामा बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ.